This is crazy, man. Trust me, Jacko.
What the hell is
Them
this?
and real men trapping inside.
But the next place there, we can't pass on the next side yet either.
I don't know what's going on there. I go down that stretching. But it's PSO. Can you imagine the
Down
stretch?
there, yeah.
I feel one of them big tank must be boss like.
This look like one of them tank maybe rupture boy. That is oil.
Six pack. You like just tell like see just make a time. What's your main vehicle?
And like it rising, you know.
I'm telling you, I feel it's more than one tank too. How they be them tank on that side? I can imagine if they're stretch right now. Trust me. I can imagine that stretch right now. After this come down real quick, eh? Real quick this come down and this is enough.
Now well, that tank, one of them tank had a rupture boy.
More than one, by one tank can hold all it. It's more than one tank. And I tell you, this come down real quick, papi, boy. Real quick. And them in the outside.
Wait now, all that will go down inside the LNG tape too, boy.
Papi, that back and light and heritage gonna feel sick, and that going on in the sea. The real oil in that too, eh? Heritage gonna feel sick. Yeah, I'm telling you, none of them for that in outside. I get you, I got you in time, yeah? Papi, I don't know, but Papa, I got just in the car time. Papi, I got just.
A river look like a tank or something. Or
Yeah, but I more than one tank too. Them tank and them up here. Yeah, them all. You see come on like there. Like excellent. No, I don't know what you have. Want to be alarm and go. Drop this shit. Drop this shit with it. You can't on the fence now? No, somebody got me covered. Somebody got me covered. You want to you have the hijacker, hydroplane in it. You got to change wrong at all. Yes, you not.
Nobody go live with my on Facebook, boy.
No, boy.
I don't detail my phone, boy.
Boy, my only other fucking cat, boy.